friends. Today we're going to ride the Disney Skyliner. We're just gonna go take a loop around, go check out, probably go over to Kirby Beach, then head over to Epcot, and then make our way back to Hollywood Studios. Just come along for the ride. You can get a chance to see the Skyliner for yourself. So for our friends who are disabled or have special needs, there is a loading dock just for you where the gondola does not move. And then once you're in and get your party all in, they'll pop you right onto the gondola system then. So it makes it real easy so you're not feeling rushed if you're slower or need help getting in or with your family. This goes a little bit faster than it is. Not sure why it's going slow, but it has been off and on. But this is the general pace of the loading, because it does not stop if you're doing general boarding into the gondola. It just kind of slowly moves. Okay, so we're going to get ready to board shortly. All right. Ooh, we're getting in a boring yellow. All right, thank you. Thanks. It's up to you. Yeah, sit in the center.
What if we get a flat tire?
This is so cool.
Wow, that's right. You're a funny guy.
Here we go.
You're a real funny guy. I like you. You know,
So cool.
Jan and the KK. It's crazy how much you. Yeah, like crazy. Because we're related.
Rocks down.
Really? Yeah.
Aren't those cute? They're like
It's so cool.
On the gondola was fun. A little slow with it slowing down and starting up. So we're gonna head over to Epcot now and ride the Epcot line. And we'll just do that and then we'll make our way back. So we're here at the transfer station. So we're hopping on the Epcot line And then on the other side is Pop and the Pop Century and Art Animation. But we're gonna go ahead to Epcot through the Riviera Resort.
I think this 126 is much better.
Wonderful, thank you.
26, thank you very much, guys. I'm gonna.
Here we go with our second line at Epcot.
Arcade. They want to do arcade.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner and Disney Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are honored.
So first impressions of the gondola after riding between Hollywood Studios and Caribbean Beach then to Epcot is, it's really nice. Nice and cool. Even when you slow down and get to kind of like a dead stop, as long as there's somewhat of a breeze going, it's not bad. I'm happy with it. So that's kind of my take on it. I'm not gonna beat it down and water it down, but it's really good. I'm really happy with it, and I think, you know, if they could keep them fully operational, not have a lot of slowdowns, it's going to be a very useful system for Disney Resorts. So very good. I hope you guys enjoyed riding the gondolas with us.